This might be one of the most unusual and stylish PC cases we've ever seen. It combines various design elements of popular sneakers by Nike, Adidas, and Balenciaga. All of this stuff was made on a 3D printer, not to mention the internal components. This PC is powered by an Intel Core i7 processor, along with the RTX graphics card and 16 gigabytes of RAMs. Plus, there's over a terabyte of ultra-fast SSD storage. This hardware must go well with any outfit. Get ready for some seriously awesome sci-fi vibes in your room with the Devon Times Gate. With 5 full-color LCD displays, you can customize and show off your own pixel art creations or pick one from the huge gallery. It also functions as a cool pixel clock. Plus, it's Wi-Fi connected, so you can sync it up with Alexa or with real-time social media performance tracking and the ability to monitor stocks and currencies. This display is practical and stylish. It's time to bring some immersive sci-fi vibes into your home. In a situation where the length of the charging cable was too short, those frustrating moments will no longer happen if you try this cable set. Now you can choose your desired link and match various cables to create the perfect fit for any situation, or simply play with them as if they're fidget toys. Need a shorter 4-inch cord for on-the-go charging? No problem. Want a longer cord for added flexibility? There are 2 options available, featuring a lightning-fast 240 watts of power. This cable set ensures your devices stay charged up in a flash with USB-C and Lightning connectivity options all in one set. Don't fret. The storm clouds are all in the past. This ethereal masterpiece resembling a cloud gracefully suspended over a mirrored surface has captured hearts and minds, even drawing the admiration of notable figures like Drake. The cloud effortlessly hovers approximately 3 inches with its sound-reactive LED lights. It dances to your favorite tunes, illuminating your space with a symphony of colors. Send handwritten messages, drawings, and images to your loved ones with this board and ink pen. Just set everything up in the dedicated app, which also provides a huge gallery of images to choose from. Once you've picked an image, the robotic arm will start to draw it on the board. Sit back and watch the magic happen, or take a photo of an image you liked and ask the device to try it. Aside from sending messages, you can also make a to-do list or keep essential information in front of your eyes. The built-in eraser will clean the board, and the pen will start to draw a new pic. When working on videos, audio, and creative projects, you need your stuff backed up, and reading outside SSDs in real time requires fast peripherals, especially when you're working commercially. Enter dock case, a 10 gigabits per second SSD, 2 terabytes external drive that has a live readout that gives you the stats you need in real time without needing to look at your PC. The drive is as big as an Apple Watch's face. You have 3 seconds of backup power before the unit shuts down. This makes dock case a great choice for creative professionals who need a fast storage solution. Holographic experience to your gaming sessions. No joke. The Tilt 5 holographic game system is capable of doing that, so those glasses make everything pop in full 3D right on your game board. The graphics are insane, bringing games to life with vibrant colors and mind-blowing details, all thanks to AirTech, which projects holographic images onto a physical surface. The glasses track your movements, allowing you to interact with the virtual environment and objects in the game. Don't you think you'll play alone? The Tilt 5 system also supports multiplayer gameplay. If your friend late play another game, and then just save the progress for when they join you. A way to fly freely in the air. Meet the Dji Avata Drone to enjoy. Wow, everything looks so real. An experience you need 2 more things. The DJI goggles too, and the intuitive DJI motion controller. Set the diopters and take the Divoom controller into your hand, and you're ready to fly off. Seriously, move your hand right, left, up, or down, and the drone will repeat every movement, going to explore a couple of caves in the Grand Canyon. This thing works in small spaces perfectly. Well, as for the camera, it supports 4K ultra-wide-angle recording and a 155-degree field of view. In other words, you'll get a visual that'll keep you on the edge of your seat. You'd better create a YouTube channel for that. As for the popularity of fidget spinners, it's their simplicity. In this age of smart gadgets, people seek toys that don't demand much attention. As a result, the manufacturers of fidget spinners are doing quite well. For instance, the prices of these spinners from a Chinese company can go up to $160. The main appeal lies in the creative freedom they offer. Customers can create their own models using their preferred components, with choices like brass, titanium, different colors, designs, and sets of stickers, all organized into various themes and series. This isn't your grandma's delivery method. We're talking about drones zipping through the skies to deliver medical supplies and other essential items to remote and hard-to-reach areas. This is some Jetsons-level stuff, and it's happening in countries like Rwanda, Ghana, and Nigeria. The Zipline is fast, reliable, and eco-friendly. It can get your goods to their destination in minutes, no matter what the weather. That's right, we're keeping the air clean while we're saving lives, and these little drones can fly up to 70 miles per hour, so if a hospital needs more blood products or vaccines, the Zipline can make sure they get what they need. Other gear, you never realize how dirty they are. Use this air blower to deal with that problem. With its powerful 100,000 RPM motor, it can blast out air at over 75 miles per hour and remove all dust from electronics or the snow from your car. The speed is actually adjustable. The blower is pretty versatile, so it works perfectly well with keyboards, computer components, photo gear, and drones too. And don't forget to use that brush and the flashlight to clean hard-to-reach places. Last but not least, the blower is rechargeable and can work up to 60 minutes. That's more than enough to clean your dirty keyboard. Flamethrowers have become very popular, and even Elon Musk sells them through his company called The Boring Company. It made a whopping $10 million in just 4 days. Now we wonder how much this new product from Throwflame will raise. They too sell flamethrowers, and once came up with the idea of merging them with a robotic dog. The result is the Terminator. It's not intended as a weapon, though it boasts a range of 9 to 10 meters and AI capabilities for target tracking. It's like a formidable hellhound, and a 3-headed version wouldn't be a bad idea. In September, Lenovo made quite an impression there. The Chinese tech giant surprised event attendees with this monitor called the ThinkVision. This monitor displays a separate image for each eye, allowing you to experience 3D visuals without the need for glasses or headgear. However, the monitor's performance significantly depends on the user's position. For instance, the ideal distance from the screen is 60 to 100 centimeters, and the viewing angle is limited to 40 degrees. This monitor will be available for purchase in January with a known price of $3,000.